Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to remove background picture in your Windows system if you are using Windows 10, 11 or any version. To remove this background, click on Start, Settings, Personalization, Background, and here select Solid Color, Slideshow or different image. So select picture or different image. Now click here. So as we can see, picture is changed. And if you need to remove and just you need to show color, so select any color like this. So thanks for watching, share, like and subscribe this channel.